Indirect or inverse variation. Two quantities x and y are said to vary indirectly or inversely if their product remains constant, that is xy is equal to k, where k is called constant of variation, k is always positive. For example, number 1, speed of a man and time taken to complete the journey. Number 2, number of persons employed to complete a work, and number of days required to complete the work. Both are examples of indirect or inverse variations, because if speed increases, the time decreases, and if number of persons employed to complete a work is increased, the number of days will decrease. Both of them show inverse variations. Time and work. If a person can complete a work in x days, he does 1 by x of the work in 1 day. Conversely, if a person does 1 by x of the work in 1 day, he can complete the whole work in x days. For example, A does a work in 20 days and B does the same work in 30 days. Amount of work done per day when both of them work together is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, which simplifies to 1 by 12. In other words, both of them working together will complete the work in 12 days. Time and distance. We have the following relations. Distance is equal to speed into time. Number 2, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Number 3, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Out of these formulae, which involve 3 quantities, if we know any 2, we can find the third using appropriate formula. For example, a train covers a distance of 324 km at an average speed of 54 km per hour. Find the time taken to complete the journey. Here, distance is 324 km, speed is 54 km per hour. Time is equal to distance divided by speed, that is 324 divided by 54, that comes out to 6 hours. Note, number 1, to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second, multiply by 5 divided by 80. Number 2, to convert meters per second into kilometers per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. Number 3, distance, speed and time should be expressed in appropriate units to get the desired results.